Hi, this is Karen Sinai from Science by Sinai. It's a middle school science blog, and we're talking about making digital science notebooks using Google Slides. And I have step-by-step instructions on my Science by Sinai blog. So the students start with their title page, and I always give them the rubric, which is free on my blog, so they know where they're headed and how they're getting graded. And then I have instructions on how to make a hyperlinked table of contents, which makes it very easy to grade. And you can see as we move through the chemistry unit, I believe in a lot of visuals. They take a lot of photographs of what they're doing. And sometimes I shoot them some instructional sheets, and other times they make their own. And at the very end of the notebook, they have their test, which I do, by the way, print out for them to take. And after they take it, they put it in here. And this is an excellent study guide for their finals. Science by Sinai. Thank you.